Hello everyone, this is Rajdeep Sharma, your mathematics educator. So scholars, in the previous video we have done up till question number 6. Now in this video we are going to start from exercise 11.3 question number 7. Okay, so read the question very properly. Find the perimeter. Okay, here we have to find the perimeter of a adjoining figure, which is the semicircle including its diameter. Okay, so first of all, semicircle means what? The half of the circle. Okay, so see, this is given the half of the circle in which the diameter is 10. Okay, so scholars, if the diameter is 10, radius equals to diameter by 2, 10 divided by 2, so the radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, so this thing is very much easy. Okay, so now the circumference of a semicircle, pi r. Okay, so you might be wondering that how does this pi r comes? See, circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r, but here it is not circle, it is the semicircle. That means divide by 2, half of the circle. So 2 cancel, so you will get only pi r. Okay, so in this way the circumference of a semicircle is pi r. Now put the values. 22 upon 7 into 5, that is 22 into 5, that is 110 divided by 7, and 110 divided by 7 is 15.71 centimeter. Okay, so the circumference of a circle is 15.71. this one 15.71 you have found. Now they are asking to find the perimeter. So scholars, what is perimeter? That means the boundary of the shape. So boundary means here it is 15.71 and this, the base is 10, so we have to add both. So see how you can write. Perimeter equals to circumference of a semicircle plus semicircle diameter, that is 10 given to you. So 15.71 plus 10, that is 25.71 centimeter. As we all know, perimeter means what? The boundary of the shape. So here this semicircle, that is 15.71, and this base is 10. So 15.71 plus 10, that is 25.71 centimeter. So now scholars, exercise 11.3 question number 8 is your homework. You simply have to apply the formula and at the end you have to find the cost. Here the diameter is given to you, so you can easily find the radius, that is diameter divided by 2. Okay, so give a try it by yourself and we will discuss. So now scholars, we are going to start exercise 11.3 question number 9. Okay, so read the question very properly. There is a girl named Shazli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of circle. Okay, so underline this word circle. Okay, find the radius of that circle. We have to find the radius. Also find its area. Okay, area of circle pi r square. Then moving forward, if the same circle is bent into the shape of square. Okay, so underline this word square. What will be the length of each side? Then which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? Okay, so this one is quite interesting and it is also very logical and easy to understand. First of all, the solution. Length 44 centimeter given to you. Now we know that the wire is bent into the circle. So tell me the formula to find the circumference of a circle. C, that equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so put all the values. See, 44, that equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So from this we will get our r. So radius is 7 centimeter. Okay, so the radius we have got 7 centimeter. Now read the question. Find the radius. So radius is 7 centimeter. Then area. So area is pi r square. So put the values. Area of a circle pi r square, 22 by 7 into 7 square. 7 square is 7 into 7. So 7 get cancelled. So 22 into 7. So that is 154 centimeter square. Okay. So from up till this one it was quite easy. First we have to find the radius, that is 7 centimeter. Then we have to find the area. So pi r square. So that is 154 centimeter square. Okay. Now if the wire is bent into the square, it was the circular wire but now it is bent into the square. So we have to simply put the formulas of square. So see, the length of each side. Okay, if the total length is 44, for example, if the total length of a square is 44, then each side is 44 divided by 4. Quite obvious, because square has 4 sides. So 44 divided by 4, that is 11 centimeter. Okay, so the length of each side is 11 centimeter. Now in the question they are asking which figure encloses more area. That means area of square is more or area of circle is more. So we know the area of circle, that is 154, but we don't know the area of square. तो area of square find कर लेंगे. So how you will find the area of square? If you remember the formula, yes, that is side square. See, area of square, that is side square. So side, that is 11, so 11 into 11, that is 121 centimeter square. Now scholars tell me 154 centimeter square or 121 centimeter square, which one is bigger? Clearly the circle is bigger. So at the end you will write, by comparison we can say circle encloses the more area. Okay, so this was a very easy question, interesting, at the same time it is very much important. Okay, moving forward to the question number 10. So now scholars, exercise 11.3, question number 10. So the question number 10 is, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, 2 circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and 1 rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Find the remaining area. Okay, remaining means what? We have to do subtraction. Now the figure is given to you, a circle is given to you, and in this bigger circle, are you able to see this small 2 circles? Right, and 1 rectangle. So they are asking for remaining part. So how you can find the remaining part? See, if you remove these 2 circles and 1 rectangle from the whole circle, you will get the remaining part, correct? Okay, so see, the radius is given to you 14 centimeter of this bigger circle. The radius is given to you 14 centimeter. So from this we can clearly find the area. Area is pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 14 square. So you will get the answer as 616 centimeter square. That is the total area. This total area of a circle, that is 616 centimeter square. Now you simply have to find the area of these 3. That is 2 circle and 1 rectangle. Okay, so see how we are going to solve it. So the radius of a 2 circle, that is 3.5. So area, there are 2 areas. So 2 into pi r square. 2 circles are there. That's why we are multiplying it by 2. So 2 into pi r square. So 2 into pi r square. So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 square. So you will get 2 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So 2 22 by 7, 3.5 into 3.5, that is 12.25. Okay. So you will get 2 into 38.5, and at the end you will get the answer as 77 centimeter square. Okay. So the area of 2 circle is 77. Now simply we have to find the area of this rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Yes. So length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter. So length into breadth, that is 3 into 1, that is 3 centimeter square. Now it is become very easy. 616 minus this and this. So you will get the remaining part. So how we will write? See, the area of the remaining part, that equals to area, card sheet area minus area of 2 circle plus rectangle. So 616 minus 77 plus 3, that is 80. So 616 minus 80, that is 536 centimeter square. Okay, so it looks lengthy, but these types of questions are very easy, and it can surely give you 4 to the 5 marks when they comes in exam. Okay, so first we have to find the total area, then we have to find this circle area, then we have to find this rectangle area, add both and subtract it. So you will get the remaining part, that is 616 minus 77 plus 3, 616 minus 80, that is 536 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the final answer. So scholars, now let's start question number 11 from exercise 11.3. Now this question is very simple and it is very much interesting. So the question is, a circle of a radius 2 centimeter is cut from a square piece of aluminum sheet of a side 6 centimeter. What is the area left over? Okay, so underline these words. First of all, circle of radius 2 centimeter, then square piece of aluminum sheet, and at the end left over aluminum sheet. So left over means here we have to do some subtraction, left over, remaining. So all these denotes what? A subtraction. So first of all, let's understand what is given in the question. There is a square piece. See, this is the square piece. This figure is not given in your textbook, so I want everyone to pay attention. Okay, see, this is the square piece, and on this square piece of aluminum a circle is there of a radius 2 centimeter. Okay, so first of all given, so let's start. Square sheet side is 6 centimeter, that is given in the question. So area of a square, we all know side square, so 6 square, that is 36 centimeter square. Okay, now we have to find the area of this circle. Okay, so the radius of a circle is 2 centimeter. Area of the circle we know pi r square, and here pi is 3.14. Okay, it is given in the question that you have to use pi as 3.14. So 3.14 into 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2, that is 4. So 3.14 into 4, and that is 12.56 centimeter square. Okay, so area of square we know, area of circle we know. Now leftover part, that is from the square, from this square, if I remove this circle, so I will get this leftover part, right? So the area of the remaining part, that equals to area of aluminum square sheet minus area of circle. So 36 minus 12.56, that is 23.44 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. Okay, first of all find the area of square, then find the area of this circle, then square minus circle will be this remaining part. Okay, so this was very easy question. Now let's start question number 12 from exercise 11.3. So the question number 12 is, the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. Okay, here circumference is given to you, and we know that the formula of circumference C, that equals to 2 pi r, right? So circumference is 31.4. So circumference of a circle, that equals to 2 pi r. Just put the value circumference 31.4, that equals to 2 into 3.14 into r. Why pi equals to 3.14? It is given in the question. Okay, so 31.4, that equals to 6.28 into r. Now 6.28 is in multiply, so it will get changed into what? Yes, division. So 31.4 divides 6.28, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, now scholars, the radius is 5 centimeter. Here we have to find the area. So area of circle, that is pi r square. Very simple, pi r square, pi is nothing but 3.14. So 3.14 into 5 square, 5 square is 25. So 3.14 into 25, that is 78.5 centimeter square. So scholars, now let's start question number 15 from exercise 11.3. This is a very unique question, so I want everyone to put the star on this question. So the question is, find the circumference of an inner and outer circle. As you can see, there are two circles, the small one and the bigger one. that is the inner and the outer circle, and we have to find the circumference. Okay, and the radius is given to you. Now as you can see in the figure, this outer one, the bigger circle, and it has the radius of 19 meter. So from the figure, outer radius, that is 19 given. Okay, now we know that we have to find the circumference, so we know the formula. Circumference, that is 2 pi r, so 2 into 3.14 into 19, and that is 119.32 meter. Okay, so the circumference of an outer circle, we know 119.32 meter. Now for the inner circle, we have to find the circumference of this small circle. Okay, so for this small circle, radius will be the radius of an inner circle, that equals to outer circle minus 10. Why 10? Because the 10 is given to you. Okay, and outer circle radius, that is 19, so 19 minus 10, and 19 minus 10 is 9. Okay, so this small circle has the radius of 9 meter. Now simply put the formula to find the circumference. Circumference, that is 2 pi r, so 2 into 3.14 into 9, that is 56.52 meter. So in this way, the circumference of an outer is 119.32 meter, and the circumference of an inner circle is 56.52 meter. Okay, so now scholars, question number 13, 14, 16 and 17, all these questions are very interesting and they are very much important. So I will cover this question in our Zoom class. So I end up this session over here. Till then, do practice all the questions very carefully, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take very good care of yourself. Bye everyone.